Division. We divide and find the quotient as we do in normal division. In quotient, the last three digits are in lower units, grams, and the rest are in higher units, kg. Example, divide 89 kg 864 gram by 8. Solution. Arrange kg and g into columns and divide. First, divide 8 by 8 and write 1 as quotient. Then, divide 9 by 8 as 9 is not divisible by 8. Thus, we will write 8 below 9 and write 1 as quotient and subtract 8 from 9. So, 1 remainder, then write next number 8 on the right of 1. Thus, 18 is not divisible by 8. 8 multiplied by 2 is equal to 16. We will write 16 below 18 and write 2 as quotient. Then write next number on right of 2, that is 6. Now divide 26 by 8. 26 is not divisible by 8. 8 multiplied by 3 is equal to 24. We will write 24 below 26 and subtract 24 from 26. We get 2 and write next number on the right of 2.